Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the local variable in Python. So in Python we have two type of variable. First is a local variable and second is a global variable. Here we are going to learn about what is local variable and how to use it. So Python local variable are defined inside a function and we cannot access the local variable outside a function. So before we understand about local variable, we need a brief introduction to functions. You do not need to worry about this function as we will learn more about the Python functions in Python function tutorial. But over here, let's say that a Python function is a piece of code which can be reused multiple times. And in this video, we are going to show you a very simple function to add two numbers. Okay, so let me declare the function first. So if I'm going to declare a function, I need to put def, and then I'm going to put the function name, which is sum two values. Okay, in this I'm going to put my two argument, which is x and y, and I want to add these two x and y, and then I'm going to get the result equal to x plus y, and then I'm going to return result. Okay, now if I write a statement print sum two values within this, if I'm going to put 150 comma 190, and let's run this, so we are getting 340. In this example we have declared a function named as sum two values and assign a few variable within our function, which is x and y. These variables will be referred to as the local variable, which have scope only inside this function. If we try to use them outside the function, then we'll get the error. So let's try it out. So if I say print x, okay, let's run it, you will see that name error, name x is not defined, and that is because x is a local variable for this function which has a scope till these two lines. So if I return x over here instead of this result, and let me print this, print sum two values, okay, let's say 150 and 190. So what's happening over here is that 150 is getting stored in x, 190 is getting stored in y. Within this function, this line will get executed and result will get saved, and then when the program will come to this line, so this function is returning x, and x is nothing but 150, which is stored over there. So if I run this again, you will see that we have this 150 which is getting displayed over here because we have printed this x value, or we have returned this x value, which is a local variable and it can be accessed within this function, while we are getting error for this print x because this x we are trying to access it outside the function. So let me recap about this local variable again. So Python local variables are defined inside a function and we cannot access this local variable outside the function. In our next video, we are going to learn about the global variable. Happy learning and see you in the next video.